Okay, so I was having some problems before. Um, I need to look into this still on the news section, but I figured out what's going wrong on the images. I started to do a little bit of research, and this is what you need to do. You need to apply for a Flickr account. Who knew, right? That's what you get when you're like me and you don't read instructions. So, what I did find when you go to content, it asks for a Flickr API key. And if you have a Yahoo address, um, then you can sign up for a Flickr account. If not, just sign up for a yahoo.com email address and go and you click get a Flickr API key. Now, I've never done this before, but what you do is it'll take you to this area. Let me back up for a second. It'll take you to the API key thing, and you apply for your key online. And you want to apply for a non commercial key, and it will take you here. And it's kind of intimidating because it starts going and trust us when we say you can't be detailed enough. And if you read back here, it talks about first we need to know whether or not this app is commercial, and like they kind of make it where it sounds very like you have to go through an approval process. But I started doing some research, and somebody just said, you sign up for non-commercial, and what's the name of your app? And I was thinking, what? What does that mean? But um, you know, I just put Flickr self slideshows for WordPress plugin, and what are you building? I would like to use the Flickr slideshow for my WordPress page, and it's supposed to give you an API key right away. Okay, that's super simple, right? So then you put the API key here, save changes. So now we should be good to go. So let's try this out. And I showed you the other examples of, how you could add keywords, you could add videos. I added the resources. Um, really, really cool stuff. I guess I shouldn't have deleted that video, right? Well, anyway, I could go in here and I could go content, video, and we search for that, and I want that one. Bam, easy, right? Now let's try this images thing. I want the image to be right there. How cool is that, right? They grab it right from Flickr. So let's go for a medium image there. Yeah, awesome. Now what I wonder, what I would do is I would change this to your keyword. I wonder if you could get rid of that. You could just go like that, update it. See, and there we go. Now your image is optimized for the keyword that you are targeting. So perfect, right? What are some of the other things I may have covered? I may not have covered. We went over the blogs, and it grabs blogs that you can add at the bottom. When we get to keywords, analyze the SEO rating. Okay, not bad. It probably needs more things like it needs a better meta description. It needs more headings. What if I do this and add it in H1? Okay, see? That improved the headings right there, improved the meta description.